Relax and feel the space around you gently shifting in a pleasing way as it becomes alive with the energy of radiant beauty. Take a moment and perceive the different areas around your body. Some areas around you might seem stronger than others. Some areas might feel different in temperature. Some areas might feel like they have stagnation and tension. Just let it go, as it's now replaced with comfort, ease, and the structure of well-being. Relax. And during the next few minutes, allow and feel the energy around you adjust positively and easily, in a way that supports you more, and for the space around you to become cohesive, yet open to receiving positivity. Strong, yet relaxed and filled with beauty. The process of allowing the space around you to shift is a pleasant one, and you may even feel like the real you is being restored. Allow the positive thoughts and energy of hope, wellness, and radiant beauty to fill the space around you, attracting the same positivity into all areas of your life with only benefits. You may even feel shielded from possible stress from the environment, and that you only attract positivity now. You may also notice that you're able to maintain your posture with ease, and that your back feels supported, comfortable, and that the area around your head feels lifted, fully supported, allowing your thinking to stay positive and your expressions to resonate with beauty. You may even sense slight changes in temperature as the structure around you now allows your body to hold a reshaped form. One that's in keeping with your perfect weight, and that you no longer need the protection of excess weight to fill the space around you. Relax. Allow your mind to sense which areas around you feel like they could use more energy, and sense those areas becoming whole. Feel the positive change continuing to gently shift your space in an increasingly pleasing way as it becomes alive with the energy of radiant beauty. Become aware that you are a radiant being and carry this essence with you at all times. It's a wonderful feeling to have support around you and to shine your positive radiance into the world. You are a special human being, and it feels good to be you, knowing that the positivity you radiate into the world makes it a better place to be. Relax.